Hey, I'm gonna have lunch now, so I got this microwaveable okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is like a Japanese pizza, but it has like squid and other stuff in it. Here's what it looks like. And there's like the sauce and the little bonito fish flakes. And aonori, it's like a seaweed thing you put on top. So yeah, it looks pretty simple. It's microwave it for a few minutes, and I also got my tablet full. So I also got edamame, which is microwaving right now. I didn't see a way to set the microwave for like a specific amount of time, so I just pressed the atatame button, which means like just heat it up. And there's no timer. There's no timer on it, so I don't really know. Maybe I could just look at my watch. I think it's been about a minute so far. And the bag said you can just throw it in as it is. So I'll get back to you when it's done. So my tablet fell a couple times when I was setting up that okonomiyaki. I was putting the ingredients on it because I had it balanced on some oatmeal in a cup, and I also found out that, so I didn't read the instructions right. You can actually just microwave it in the bag, but I took it out first, which might be better because then you have to touch a hot okonomiyaki. And I figured out how to set it for a certain amount of time because it says 6 minutes 50 seconds. So before, for the edamame, I couldn't figure that out, but you just press. So in the microwave, so there's the button for seconds. I think you can see it. Okay, so the button for seconds, the button for minutes, and a button to automatically add increments of 10 minutes. So you just keep pressing that. So I press it like 6 times for 6 minutes. Yeah, and there's 5 minutes left, and just eating these edamame while I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm back. So the okonomiyaki finally finished cooking in the microwave, and while I was waiting, I ate all the edamame. It was delicious. So here is my fully cooked okonomiyaki. Can you see it? There you go, and I got a little fork to go with it. Let's try it. Itadakimasu. In Japanese, you say itadakimasu before you start eating. Get some little flakes on it. Sauce. Here's what it looks like. Itadakimasu. Not bad. Okonomiyaki is pretty easy to make too. I think you get like the batter. I made it before. Like you just get the batter, buy cabbage, buy squid or whatever meat you want to put in it, and the other ingredients, and you just pan fry it. It's really easy, but this microwaveable okonomiyaki is even easier. I'm gonna eat my lunch now. See you guys.